Welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, welcome aboard. We're all about creating, crafting, and cleverly using what we have to make something beautiful. Before we dive in, don't forget to hit that like button, share, and subscribe to our channel. You wouldn't want to miss out on our amazing content, would you? For more ideas, do check out our website, www.CleverDiyCrafts.com. Wall-mounted planters are like shelves for your plants. They let you put plants on your walls, making your home look fresh and green. They're great because they don't take up floor space, so even if you have a small room, you can still have plants. You can find many simple and pretty designs in stores. Some are like small pots that you can hang in a line or in patterns. You can put different types of plants in them. If you want a plant that hangs down, try a vine-like pothose. If you like a neat look, go for plants like succulents. These planters can go anywhere in your living room, balcony, or even kitchen. Imagine having fresh herbs right on your kitchen wall. The best part is they're easy to set up. Just like hanging a picture frame, you put them up on your wall. Over time, as your plants grow, your walls will look even more beautiful. With these planters, you can quickly make your home feel more lively and cozy. What's great about wall-mounted planters is that they're super easy to care for. Because they're up on your wall, they're safe from pets or little kids who might knock over regular pots. When it's time to water them, you can either pour water carefully or take them down, give them a drink, and then hang them back up. The best part is they're easy to set up. And if you're worried about making a mess, there are designs with little trays at the bottom. These trays catch any extra water, so your walls stay clean. Plus, changing plants is a breeze. If you ever feel like switching things up, you can easily replace one plant with another or even change the whole planter. In short, if you want an easy and fun way to decorate, give wall-mounted planters a try. Before you go, just a reminder to hit that like button if you enjoyed today's topic, share it with your friends, and subscribe if you haven't already. And don't forget to visit our website, www.CleverDiyCrafts.com, for even more inspiration. Tap the bell button too, so you never miss our new videos. See you in the next video.